I got Origami Heart. Love? Love is a beautiful thing. But, it's not perfect. Just like we are not perfect. Sometimes we get heartbroken. But love heals and keep coming back to us. That's a beautiful thing.
Hello, こんにちは、くにこです。Let's make origami heart that heals. Start out with a square shape paper. Cut it in half to a rectangle. I recommend the size of the square bigger than 6 inches. For the orientation purpose, I mark each corner with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. I recommend you do that with me, and then I flipped the paper to the back side. Now you can see the number 3 and 4 from the bottom. Yes, fold it in half and make the crease nice and sharp. Next, grab the right side that has number 3 upside down and all the way to the left side where the number 4 is. As a result, you have this half shape and the number you see is 1. And grab the bottom right, which is a completely opposite side from the number 1, and fold a triangle. Hey, for fun, let's do upside down. It looks like a truck. Haha. Now keep it that way, and the front of the truck, which is a 45-degree angle, fold that in half. Start from the very front of the truck shape, and then little by little from the very front corner, fold it in half. Bisect the angle of the front. Make the crease very sharp. Now next step is easy. You unfold all the way back to the beginning, the rectangle shape. A beautiful creasing pattern emerged. Let's check that out. Here's a diamond square, 2 of them. We are going to enforce those 2 diamonds by folding it again, but we're not making a new lines. We were using the same crease we already made. Here's the outer one, the one, and I am forcing the crease from the back side, and then try to do that the same way. And if you like, you can fold all the way to the end of the triangle, but all I want is the center diamond creases. So let's do it from the bottom side, so you can do the bottom part of the outer diamond. And please make sure you are on the back side. And now flip to the front side. Now I can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. We will reinforce the inner, this time inner, outer is done. But to do so, I'm gonna draw the line so that I can see it better. You don't have to, but I know it helps for the next steps. So again, here's the inner diamond side right here, and the edge of the top rectangle side launch on the diagonal line that has number 4. Keep going to the opposite side. Now that is the line I am enforcing. You can go all the way to the bottom if you like, but that is the only halfway I need it. Let's look at the bottom 2 sides of this narrow diamond. It's a little tricky, but please pay attention that the edge of the bottom of the rectangle is the diagonal line to the number 2, and this time it's gonna go to all the way to number 1. But I am using the outer diamond square line. I hope I'm not confusing you, but this is a body and a mountain orientation for the fold. And now make the side of the diamond square mountain fold, which is sticking towards you. You just enforced it so the fold is there. And you are making like a sideways of the Y shape. And I will pinch where the corner of the diamond square. Same way, left and right. And then you will see the shape of like a canoe in the center. And then if you push from the both sides, it will make this move. At the first time, you might have a little bit of wrinkles and hiccups at the corner. Let's check. I'm gonna fix it so that the corner meets very sharp. And now it's flattened completely. Then I will make the inside crease nice and sharp. That is very important. Then you will fold the corner to shape the heart. Top layer and the bottom layer to match the line you just made, and do the same thing on the opposite side so that the numbers you written down will be covered, will be hidden inside. Next is the top 2 corners of this shape of the heart. I will tuck in the corner, maybe a little more than that. This is really up to your taste, and I am only eyeballing. I'm just trying to match the left and right side even. And here the shape is done. Let's move. So here's a broken heart. To heal this heart back to the shape, you have to press the top and close it. At the beginning, you have to do this manually, but after you've done several times, it will move by itself, magically. Moved nicely this time, but this one, I have to do that again. It's almost like trying to train the paper. So do it over and over, at least 3-4 times, and it gets better and better. Enjoy the magic of Origami Heart. Keep folding.